Hello, the Internet Tough Monkey here once again. Hope you're all well. Thanks for stopping by. I have another consumer review for you today, and I am looking at CRIMPiT, specifically the CRIMPiT Wrap. Available in yellow and pink. These are RP at $19.99. However, they're pretty much always for sale at $14.99 on CRIMPiT's UK website. So, what are they? What do they do? Well, basically, in a nutshell, they make your wraps. They make burritos, calzones, enchiladas, kebabs, pasties, and more, according to their webpage. They don't bake anything, they're not a sandwich toaster in any way, shape or form. All they do is provide a perfect shape for you to create the wrap of your choice, and then it seals it shut by crimping the two halves together, forming a seal to stop your ingredients falling out. And that's really all it does. You could argue that some sandwich toasters do more than this. They at least cook the food. So, is it worth it? Well, you could argue not, because it's 15 quid to basically fold your tortilla together. But that would be kind of missing the point of the CRIMPiT. It's invigorating your sandwich making. It's making you think about new crazy ideas of what you could put into a tortilla wrap. I've been putting Nutella and banana and strawberries for a late night snack, and it's gorgeous. There are recipe books available, but there is also a community that's been built up around this, with people suggesting their favourite recipes on Facebook and Twitter. Honestly, the breakfast burrito, try it out. This that I'm showing you on this video though, is just a basic recipe. It's chicken, it's bacon, it's cheese, like something I'd get custom made down at Subway. But do what you want, unleash your mind, go crazy, come up with some wild far out combination of flavours. It might just work. So is it just a kitchen gadget? Well, yes it is. Kitchen gadgets get a bit of a bad rap sometimes. No pun intended. It's just a question of whether it's going to be a gadget that I use every day, like the air fryer here, or the coffee machine, or is it going to be like the soup machine, or the blender, or the smoothie maker, which hasn't seen light of day in about 5 years. But after a week of owning it, I've used it almost every single day, and I've got plenty of ideas of where I want to go with it. And remember, this doesn't cook the food, so you'll need to provide your own method of heating up those warm wraps. That could be in an oven, under the grill, on the frying pan, in an air fryer, or ironically, in a sandwich maker. But however you choose to use it, at least it's not like the smoothie maker, it's dead easy to clean. So, for the £15 that I paid for it, does it make me unhappy? Or happy? I like it. I think you will too. I'll see you on the next video.